Hey y'all, I want to show you something. There I am right there. Something that people don't realize about the Bible. And I first saw this, it blew my mind. I mean, it just literally blew my mind. So, anyway, that's all the crazy stuff I got on my phone and all that. So, I want to show you here. If we go to, let's see here, Acts 16:11, King James Version Bible. Mm. Oh, let me get myself out of the way here. Acts 16:11, KJV Bible. So it says, of course, this is therefore loosing from Troas, we came with a straight course to Samothracia, and the next day Neapolis. Okay, so let's just see where. Let's just go to a map here. Let me get off here and go to one of my maps here. Where my maps be? Okay, it's not there. Here we go. Let's go do a world map. Zoom out of this. Get it straight. Let's go here to Turkey. Let's see, where's Samothracia? Where is Troas at? Troas. Where's Troas? Oops, let's put Trias. I think that's it. There we go. There's Troas. And then, so as you see in the Bible, they went from Troas to Samothracia, which is right there, to Neapolis. Right here, Neopermus, I believe that is. But here's something interesting about Samothracia. Samothrace, whatever you want to call it. Sanctuary of the great gods, it says. You wonder if that might have been the Mount Olympus or something? I don't know. But the gods were supposed to have watched the Trojan War from this point of view. But Paul and his Luke, I think Timothy was with him. Between Paul, as a matter of fact, between Paul in the New Testament, this is something else. Between Paul and Luke, there were 16 books in the New Testament that they both wrote together. 16 between the two of them. And then there are 11 books that they didn't write together, which adds up to be 1611. 16/11. So look at this. This point, Mount Fengari was used as a navigation. It was used in navigation. So you think maybe that they were on this island that it's all the very top of Samothrace is the Mount Fengari, or I don't know whether they could have been in Troy. I don't know. But anyway, it says a straight way. They took a straight path all the way there. Right? But you know something else, if you line all those up, you go straight to this little place right here called London. And this is something I saw on Truth is Christ. And I'm just fact checking. I'm just seeing if those things be so. And they are so. So, anyway, where's some others? Okay, so let's go back here. Interesting little thing about Mount Fengari. It is a mile high. A mile high. Yeah, you know how much it is, right? 5,280 is a mile, right? I think that's what a mile is. Let me make sure. I don't want to tell you wrong. Let's see here. Measurements. Oh, let's see here. Time, tip. No, area, length. There we go. Length. Inches. 1 mile. One. 1 mile. No, I don't want that. I want 1 mile into feet. 1 mile equals 5,000. Let's see. 5,280 plus 5 feet. But check this out. If it's 5,280 feet, let's just do the reverse of this. Let's just put kilometers. All right. Let's see here. No, let's put let's just put feet into kilometers. Let's put feet. 5,285 feet equal kilometers. That is the height of, I'm going to lose a way to put it. It's going to blow your mind. The highest point of Mount Fengari in Samothrace is this. Nope, that's not it. Meters. Yeah. Oh, that's not it either. Nope. Feet 5,285. Ooh, what are we doing? 5,285. Rounded off is 5,285. 5,285 plus so many odd inches, I guess, in feet, is 1610, right? Rounded off is 1611. 1611 is closest. So if you add that 8 to that, 6 because it's 7, 7, 8, that's 9. That's so close to 1611, it's crazy. Only guy could do that. Only guy could do that. That's not just coincidence either. And that in Acts 16:11, that the Fengari mountain, Samothrace, the very same mountain that they used to navigate boats, would be 5,280 feet, 285 feet high, which is a mountain. A mile and 5 inches of what we call a mile, which in the meters it would be 1,610.868, which is 1611. In Acts 16:11. Okay, so let's go back to that and let's see what it says here. So I'm kind of feel pretty sure this is going to say what the actual size of it is. Reviews. Let's see here. Pretty cool. Pretty mountain. Updates. Let's see here. Might be beneath. Whatever that means. Let's see here. Let's go to overview again. And let's see if we can find out any information on it. See how high it is, whatever. It's not really saying a whole lot on this part. I'm sure if you look it up in other places and everything, it does. 5,285 feet equals 1,611, almost. So let's just go to another. That's not giving a lot of information on that part, but let's just go to back to Google. How tall is Mount Fengari? Says it right there. 1,611 meters. That's English meters, of course. It's the tallest mountain in the Aegean island of Samothrace, Greece, with an elevation of 1,611 meters, 5,285 feet, a mile and 5 foot. Okay. Oops. And let's see here. It says even right here, again, right here, right here. Isn't it something that in Acts 16:11 talks about something that's 1,611 meters high, which is like again, like I said, a mountain of that size. I mean, it's a mile high mountain. Sorry, I'll get it out one day. See it there again. You can't get past the evidence, y'all. Here it is again, right there. I think this is what is this? See, it shows it right here too. Look there. Fengari 1611. Which I'm gonna tell you, whenever my dad passed away, back in here it says to some 1,600 meters. But anyway, whenever my dad passed away, it's like the evidence of God's word smacking me every time I went under a bridge coming home and everything. It said 1611, 1611. 3 or 4 of them said 1611, confirming to me that the Bible that I had was right. And I remember being so amazed and like, oh wow, just can't believe this. I keep seeing 1611. I mean, I've seen some 1604s. I said 1703, the height of the bridge and stuff in inches, feet and inches, but it blew my mind. I still remember it to this day. That wasn't just seeing something at random. That was the Lord confirming to me that the Bible that I had was His Word. And I remember that thinking that coming home from the funeral, my dad's funeral. But anyway, I just thought I'd show that real quick. And well, anybody can see a bridge that's like what 1611, But anyway, let me pause this for a sec. Matter of fact, there's one bridge that I saw coming out of South Carolina going back home, 1604. That's the same year as the King James Version Bible, whenever they started it. There's another 1604 right there, and this is in North Santee before coming to Lake Marion. Well, I gave up looking for all the 1611 bridges and everything because there were quite a few of them, but there were also some like 1605, 1604, 1704. But look what I landed on. Look what I stopped on. St. Paul Mountain. I mean, how about that? How you like that? But anyway, the whole point of the matter is there's just no really actual coincidence with God. God uses things to show us things. And numbers, there's all kind of numbers in the Bible. You even got a number 7 on your hand. Didn't you know that? So anyway, I just thought I'd kind of go over that real quick and maybe you get something out of it. I got something out of it. And anyway, it's pretty neat on God's Word. And that's my hometown of Manning, South Carolina right there. But anyway, I just thought I'd show that real quick. And that's something else, how this mountain is 1,611 meters high. Point of fact is 1610.868. But see where everything else here is using that measurement, 1611. If they knew people knew, I mean, if it talks about it being a biblical land, and about the land or island in the Bible, and you think that with all the King James Version only is out there, lovers of God's Word in the King James Version Bible, they when they say 1611, they see the coincidence. They would probably like change it to like 1610, 1613, or maybe actually was a little bit taller than that. Nope. God does things for a reason. He doesn't do anything by mistake.